I'm Jenna Klepitz. I'm the Director of Talent Acquisition with Essentia Health. I'm here with my colleague, Sarah Vanderpoort, who you'll get to hear from here in a little bit. She's a nurse manager for one of our med-surg units. Between the two of us, we're really looking forward to showcasing our beautiful communities that we're privileged to be a part of, and provide an overview of the robust opportunities we have here at Essentia Health, and why this would be a great opportunity for you to join. And so for us to get the stage started here, we do have a video that we prepared. So I'm going to go ahead and share that with you now. Enjoy.
It's always been here. A story of vast spaces and close-knit communities, of opportunity, determination, and prosperity. This is the story we all share. And now the next chapter begins. In this place, entrepreneurs lead the way, building on a foundation of resourcefulness, where the brightest minds in technology, education, culture, and innovation boldly forge new paths. Here, we're inspired by those who never give up, those who try harder. We face the challenges of healthcare, believing that with community and commitment, we build something better, something brilliant, something rare. We can live healthier, take care of each other, and turn our adversity into our advantage. This is our role in the story, providing the kind of healthcare you can't get anywhere else. Because this place, these people, are like nowhere else.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video showcasing some of our communities. So Essentia Health supports communities within Minnesota, North Dakota, and Wisconsin. We are very lucky within these three states as well to be able to experience all 4 seasons. And with all 4 of these seasons, we do experience multiple different, we get different scenery, we get different activities that come along with these different seasons. In Minnesota, where we're primarily located, we have lush forests. During the fall, we have beautiful fall foliage with the leaves. If you're into anything outdoors, we have trails for hiking, and we're known as the land of 10,000 lakes. So we have over 10,000 lakes within the state. We also have our communities are vibrant. They're thriving with food and entertainment scene. Also have the Minneapolis-St. Paul metro area with access to professional sports teams and Broadway shows and shopping. In North Dakota, we pride ourselves on top-rated public schools, so investing in our children and our community and our future. And our downtown Fargo is filled. It has restaurants and craft breweries, shopping, attractions, things like the historic Fargo Theater, the Fargo Air Museum. There's never a shortage to do. And similarly within Wisconsin, if you're in the outdoors, like I mentioned, it's beautiful scenery. Can get active with outdoor fun, hiking, camping, fishing, hunting, you name it. It is there for an opportunity for you. And again, just access to thousands of miles of shoreline between Lake Superior and Lake Michigan. For the communities, this gives you a little bit of a better idea. So we support, like I said, North Dakota, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. We are on the Canadian border. Essentia Health is home to 15,000 colleagues. About a third of those, so 4,300 of our employees are registered nurses and licensed practical nurses. We have 14 hospitals, 78 clinics, and 24 retail pharmacies. In addition to this, we do have a handful of long-term care, assisted living, and independent care facilities. So I think just overall, as far as taking a look at our footprint, being part of that integrated health system of this size provides patients with the best coordinated care. And it also allows employees to access vast resources, and it allows for the opportunities for growth, which is really exciting. And together we thrive. So the values of the organization are not only integrated into the work our employees do every single day, but essential of how we live our lives. So, really, as we take a look at Essentia, when our communities thrive, and so do we, which is why it's so important that we invest in our communities. And we partner with many foundations and nonprofit organizations to ensure that these values are carried out throughout the regions that we're proud to serve. And so you can take a look at some of our team members out throughout the community. We have our mentorship program, which mentors ages 7 to 17. We're involved in Habitat for Humanity, food drives like Everyone's Table free meal program. So again, just really making sure that this is part of our values and how we're integrating into our communities.
Thanks, Jenna. As you guys were introduced, my name is Sarah Vanderpoort. I'm one of the nurse managers here at Essentia Health. I'm excited to be here today to share why I chose Essentia and why I think you guys should too. I grew up here in Duluth, and I stay in this community because of the lifestyle that the area offers, with vibrant cultural options and natural beauty. Like Jenna mentioned, the lakefront views, hiking trails, ski hills, paths, and plenty of natural beauty to enjoy. Our community and employees enjoy hiking, biking, fishing, boating, shopping, and catching the newest up-and-coming artists at the local coffee shops or breweries. There are professional growth opportunities within Essentia Health with many locations and settings and supports along your journey. Myself, I was in the med-surg float pool for 6.5 years and found myself now in leadership. Employees are valued and appreciated, working collaboratively within our interdisciplinary teams. You will serve as a foundation for the care we are privileged to provide. Our nursing vision and magnet journey. Essentia Health is on our journey. This designation is awarded by the American Nurse Credentialing Center, and recognition is given to excellence in nursing. We're currently in year 2 of our 3 to 5 year journey. Our framework shown here guides our path. The center depicts our central focus: patients, families, and communities. The nursing vision: exceptional nurses delivering extraordinary care while advancing practice, is achieved through the 5 we statements. We are accountable to provide evidence-based care. We provide a healing and caring environment. We commit to professional development. We practice and model self and team care, and we practice teamwork. Our values of quality, hospitality, respect, joy, justice, stewardship, and teamwork further guide us in caring for the whole patient in body, mind, and spirit. Essentia Health offers options and specialties from the emergency room to general medical surgical acute care units into the intensive care or ICU. And then Essentia uniquely has several critical access hospitals, which brings the care to our patients within their own smaller communities.
Thanks, Sarah. So in addition to what Sarah outlined as far as our specialties, we do want to make sure that we value our employees. We invest in the futures by offering exceptional benefits packages, such as generous paid time off. You have access to full health, dental, vision insurance, retirement plans, and also investing into the employees' career development, tuition reimbursement, and like I mentioned on the previous slide as well, really focusing on that community involvement as an aspect for our employees. And transition support. So we know moving can be a very difficult decision, which is why we've gone to great lengths to ensure we have the smoothest transition possible when joining Essentia Health. These just outline some of the transition support that we offer, from housing allowance to community support liaisons, nurse educators and retentionists, immigration attorneys, career coaches, really making sure that we can set our employees up for long-term success starting on day 1. And really, hopefully after this last bit where Sarah and I had the opportunity to go through Essentia Health, everything that we have to offer our employees, hopefully you too have found that you have a place and you belong here.
We made it 51 seconds to spare.
All right. What questions?
I see one. What specialties are you hiring for? Just about everything. We have pediatrics, cardiology, GI specialties. You can work in the intensive care. You can work in those outreach critical access hospitals that have a little bit of everything.
Wow. So lots and lots of opportunities, Jenna and Sarah. You made it with 9 seconds to go.
Yeah.
So congrats. That was really exciting and so interesting. I know for many international nurses, they might hear about California or Texas or Florida, and they maybe didn't think of some other parts of the United States. If we look at the map of the United States, it is so huge, everybody. There are so many opportunities all over the country. So maybe if we look at where that North Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, look where it is on that map, that might be an area that could be just what you are looking for. Favored is asking about the onboarding process. So Jenna and Sarah will go into the chat and speak a little bit more to that question. Thank you, Favored, for asking that question. And we want to thank the Essentia health team for coming on today and sharing this amazing opportunity with our viewers all around the world. Big clap for Essentia Health. Thank you so much for joining us, Jenna and Sarah.
Thank you.
If you are just joining us now, you will have heard from Essentia Health, and this is what we want everybody to remember. Look at we want to share with you, what are the things that you need to think about when you are evaluating if an employer is the right match for you.